All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking RE, the wrench test videos. All right, so as I'm filming this, part 1 and part 2 have gone live. Part 3 hasn't gone live yet, but some stuff kind of bugged me. I've actually already filmed a rant video, but I decided not to post that. So I'm going to respond to some of the comments I've gotten in part 1 and part 2. First one, why no Craftsman? Open-end spread on these is notorious, so I wasn't real concerned about torque numbers. I did not use a torque wrench on it, but it cammed out pretty easily. You know, they don't make them anymore, so get over it. It did break. It was the only other wrench to break besides the SK. Spoiler alert, as you can see, it bent a good bit before it broke. Number 2, the torque reading on the Milwaukee. I tried twice to record the number. The second time, it was way lower. I tried that with several of the other tools, and they all did the same thing. Once they had spread, the torque number was way reduced. So unfortunately, once they spread, it's a one-time shot. So I was trying to show on camera with the torque reading, but unfortunately, I couldn't. Same with the snap-on. I didn't get the snap-on number. I tried again, hoping it would do the same thing, but it did exactly the same thing, reduced number. So, and there's this funny thing called editing, where I take multiple parts and cut stuff out of it. So when I did 2 attempts, you only saw the one. All right, next one, the elephant in the room. No icon, no icon. Okay, let's start with that. Everybody's doing icon videos. 2, I have a life. I have wife and kids. I've got to edit videos for YouTube. I didn't get over to Harbor Freight. I'm sorry. Next one. Doing another, retest of, by the way, the snap-on was flank drive, plus it has the teeth. I am not doing a retest. I am not getting new wrenches and trying to do it again. I'm done with this. It was a pain in the butt. I spent almost $400 on wrenches and the hex sockets to test them. And I know a bunch of people in the comments are going to go, oh, well, you make money off YouTube. Well, with the 2 videos that have gone live, I've got 2 more, but number 2 isn't doing that well. A lot of people aren't watching it. Lower interest from subscribers and non-subscribers. So chances are, on this series of videos, chances are I'm going to lose about $200 doing this series of videos for 4 videos that are going to make maybe $200. So no, I'm done. It's a pain in the butt, long production time, and nobody's happy with it. No matter what I do, nobody's going to be happy with the result. I'm done. Another one somebody pointed out was what direction the wrench was. For starters, it shouldn't matter one way or the other which way the wrench is facing as far as it torquing out. It's still held on 2 sides. A slight difference in angle isn't going to matter that much. I will say I should have been consistent on it, but I wasn't, so oh well. Going back to the icon thing, why wasn't this brand or this brand or this brand or this brand? $340 in wrenches that I am never going to use. I don't have a problem buying a tool for a review that I can bring value to my viewers and get some use out of it as well, or some of the other guys in the shop can get use out of it. It's another thing entirely to spend $340 or whatever it was that I actually spent on 17mm wrenches. How many 17mm wrenches do I need? So, no. I spent enough. Sorry your wrench that you like or wanted to see wasn't in the video, but that's how it is. I did what I did. That's all you get. And in that note, I'm done doing those kind of videos. It's a pain in the butt, multi-camera editing. Yeah, no, I'm done. So, I hope you enjoyed the series though, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Comments, you know, tell me my left finger was 2 inches askew or whatever, you know, whatever. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master. It's another thing entirely. It's not a freaking turn lane.